Oh, God, smoked
Good
him.
job, man.
Smoked him.
Good job.
Yeah. Good shot, yeah. Oh, dead.
John, right there. See on the log?
Yeah, yeah. Steve, you see him?
Yeah.
Get him.
Oh,
Got him.
Good
Got
shot.
him. Thank you.
Go finish it. Make sure you come.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, wow, that was a good shoot.
Shot there, buddy.
Thank you. Well, Steve, what do you think?
Well, I'd say size isn't everything.
Yeah, well, considering what you're holding, but mine of size, the iguana population's been depleted a bit today.
Yeah, well, there's definitely a population here and good shooting.
Yeah, yes. These air guns are perfect for this type of eradication.
Absolutely, yeah.
Of the iguana that's really taken over the island and become a big problem.
What do you say we go find some more?
Let's do it.
In the very beginning, we did try using a couple other brands of air rifle, and they couldn't hold up to the abuse. I ended up going with the Gamo product after doing research and thinking the amount of money that I'm spending on quote unquote a decent gun from some other manufacturers, it wasn't worth it. One that I'm using now probably has 100,000 shots through it, and the only thing that I've done to it was I changed a spring in it.